Switching between platforms, indicators all over the place, you're losing focus instead of clarity.
You know the moment. The breakout signs were there, but you didn't act in time.
Enter TradingView, the charting platform built for fast, flexible market analysis. It combines design and power, elegant interface plus advanced features built for serious trading. With 20-plus chart types, including Renko and Kagi, you can analyze markets the way you trade. Over 400 built-in indicators and a full suite of drawing tools let you map and track your setups precisely. And you're not trading alone. Join a community that shares trade ideas and scripts that you can learn from. Find hidden opportunities with powerful screeners for stocks, crypto, ETFs, or even heat maps of sectors. Link your broker. Trade straight from the chart. No extra windows, no friction in trade execution.
On the move, your charts, alerts, and layouts sync across desktop and mobile, so you never miss a beat.
Reveal how past markets played out with bar replay. Fast forward or rewind to sharpen your strategy.
Access data for millions of instruments across 100-plus exchanges, whether stocks, crypto, Forex, or bonds. Save your chart setup once, then load it on any device. Your workspace stays consistent everywhere.
Set custom alerts on indicators, dredging tools, or price levels, and get notified on desktop, browser, or mobile.
Need to monitor several markets at once? Multi-chart view keeps everything in one screen, not scattered across apps. Here's how you spot a breakout, set your alert, and act, all inside one platform without switching tabs.
Layer custom indicators, drawing tools, and scripts to fine-tune your strategy and spot setups others miss.
Share your ideas, browse thousands of community-published scripts, and use what other traders created to speed up learning.
Pricing starts free, but serious features live in paid plans, so decide how much you're ready to invest. As you upgrade, you gain more indicators, more alerts, more charts per tab, so bigger setup, higher cost.
If you're just starting, the free version may work, but if you trade actively, you'll want at least the Plus tier.
Pros: intuitive interface, large global data coverage, huge community of traders sharing ideas. Cons: the free version is limited, advanced features cost a lot, and some users say customer support isn't always responsive.
Here's what traders are saying. Powerful charts, excellent real-time data, and also, upgrade prompts can be annoying.
If you're ready to upgrade your charting game, TradingView gives you the tools, flexibility, and edge you've been looking for.
Beginners can use it to learn charting. Active traders get full value by unlocking premium tools. Professionals will appreciate the depth. Check the link in the description to start your TradingView trial and subscribe for more honest reviews every week.